Hi, I'm Abby, and this is Glenn. We are a couple from the UK currently on a mission to visit 30 countries by the age of 30. Today we are in England to stay at what may be the UK's wackiest hotel, but before that we explore all things Harry Potter on the studio tour. Good morning, it is currently 3 AM and we have just left for our English road trip. So we are currently on our way to the Harry Potter studio tour in London. So a wee bit of backstory about why we're leaving at this time. So I looked online for tickets for anything that was available over the next kind of 2 or 3 weeks, and for the next 3 months the only availability I could find was for the very next day for the tour at 10 AM. So we took it. We really wanted to do it. We were willing to get up at 2 AM and make the 7-hour journey to get here. So we're hoping it'll be worth it. We're really looking forward to it. We're looking forward to seeing all the sets. We're big fans, and trying some of the drinks and snacks when we get there. Are you excited then?
Yep, not about this drive. 7 hours is quite long, but it'll be worth it, I hope.
So it's currently 10 o'clock, which is our tour start time, and the whole motorway has been closed off on this side. We've been sitting here for about 45 minutes so far, with no sign of any traffic moving. So we'll see if they still let us in when we do eventually get there.
So it's been another 20-30 minutes. We still haven't moved at all. Trying to phone customer services to see, just to let them know and see what they're going to say about if we can still turn up at a later time or something, and they've also got a 30-minute wait, but now at least we have Harry Potter music. Hopefully we'll get to escape soon. Woo!
So still no movement on the motorway so far, but we did call customer service, and good news, they're aware of the crash, so they are going to let us in when we arrive. To get us in the mood, we've got some Bean Boozled. So these are like some knockoff Bertie Bott's every flavour beans, and we'll see what we get. So one of them's coconut and one of them's spoiled milk.
Well,
you ready? Mine is coconut.
I can't tell. Coconut as well.
Coconut.
Woo!
Well done.
Coconutty. Oh, is that the... What are these? It's black.
So one is licorice and one is skunk spray.
None of those are a good option. Licorice sucks.
Ready?
Skunk spray.
Mine is licorice, not too bad.
Whoa! It's revolting.
We're on the move! And 2 hours later, we are finally back on the move.
Woo! We made it.
So let me be the first to greet you with the very words that Harry heard when he first arrived at the castle. Welcome to Hogwarts, Gentlebush. Now the lights are low, the tables are dressed and the fires are flickering, which means this is what we call in the industry a hot set. 3, 2, 1. And we have real fire. Oh, right, it's good, right? We have real fire. Now, do not worry, no Christmas puddings were actually harmed in the making of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. These are concrete.
After a short video presentation and tour of the Grand Hall, you move into the rest of the studio to explore on your own.
You're here, walking onto the same sets with beautiful years, I think you too can feel a little bit of that magic.
The studio is huge. If you're a fan of the movies, you'll definitely recognise some of these set pieces and costumes. I solemnly swear I'm up to no good. You even get the chance to take to the skies and fly a broomstick.
Blow him a kiss, and then point to me and go, woo! And to your left, to your right, and pull her up.
Roughly halfway through the studio, we got the chance to try some classic Harry Potter inspired snacks.
So we got a Butterbeer Ice Cream and a regular Butterbeer here. We'll try the ice cream first because it'll probably melt. It's got like a kind of butterscotch sauce on it. And other than that, it just tastes like a mustard pickle. It's pretty nice. I love all the bubbles on the top here. The cream on the top is absolutely lovely. It's like a kind of almost vanilla taste to it. And then it gets down to this part and it's more of a fizzy juice. Maybe like a ginger beer almost. Quite nice.
Ice cream is really good. I'm so cold.
So we're actually visiting in November, so everything is set up for Christmas. I've got this amazing big snow as well outside, which just adds to the feel.
scale of these set pieces really makes you feel immersed in the movies. Seeing Hogwarts in the snow was such a magical way to end our time here. This model was actually used for the wide shots of Hogwarts in the movies. So unfortunately, our mic wasn't plugged in properly during this clip, so I'll just fill you in. We both really enjoyed the studio tour. Seeing some of the behind the scenes was really interesting, and it helped bring the magic to life. So according to the website, the average time spent here is about 3.5 hours, but we ended up taking around 5 to see everything. So make sure you leave yourself enough time when you visit. Now after a long day, we're heading to a very unique hotel, which prides itself on being quirky and unusual.
So we've just checked into our room with our complimentary rosé champagne, something I could definitely get used to. So behind us here we've got our TV, so that was playing the radio as we came in, and we've got all these speakers here. We've got these amazing crushed velvet walls here. We've got our metal wardrobe. So they've just stuck my jacket and bag in there just now, but we've also got a hairdryer and we've got an iron as well. So behind you here we've got the nicest, most comfortable chairs here and a little table. So we've got our complimentary water and champagne. So we'll definitely enjoy sitting here for a little while before dinner.
That's good.
We've also got these amazing crushed velvet curtains with a lovely view out to Oxford there. We've got a super comfortable bed.
After that 2 a.m. start, it'll be much appreciated.
And this amazing wall here with the little diamantes. And these lamps as well, they're lovely. We've also got this phone on our wall. So we were told when we checked in that all the teas, coffees and hot chocolates would be complimentary. So any time of day or night, we just give room service a phone and they'll bring them up for us. So we'll probably make use of that as well.
Don't think there's any probability about it. Definitely.
Then for the most exciting part, we've got the bathroom here. So we've got this amazing gold sink, this lovely tap, this mirror here. The colours, the tiles, amazing. We've also got a black toilet here, black toilet seat. Our toilet paper is Andrex, so very fancy. Behind the door here, we've got our lovely robes and a full length mirror as well, so everything we could really ask for. So we're already in love with this hotel and don't want to leave. And we've got dinner booked for 7 o'clock, so we're really looking forward to that.
that's us just back from dinner. We've had our showers. We're all getting ready for bed. The food there was so good. It's a very cozy restaurant, the Thai restaurant, but the food was really good. Service was really fast. Really enjoyed it. And we also just got our hot chocolate complimentary room service. And now we're going to try our chocolate frog that we got from the Harry Potter land. Can't wait.
Ooh.
He's ginormous. Oh my goodness. The size of that thing. Put your hand next to it. You want to try the first bit? You know, does he feel like he's going to be solid, or is it like hollow?
Yeah, I think it's solid.
Nice.
Solid.
Solid chocolate. How was it?
Nice.
Good quality chocolate?
Yeah.
Well, we're just going to enjoy that now. And we will see you tomorrow for breakfast. Bye!
Morning. So we had the best night's sleep last night. It's so comfortable here, and we headed down to breakfast. So they've got a farm shop on site, so everything was fresh from their farm, which is really nice. So they had lovely fresh bread and eggs, fruit, juices, things like that. So it was absolutely lovely. We've just come back up to our room and we've got complimentary coffees, so we're just going to enjoy those before we head off on our next adventure. So that's all for this video, and we can't wait to see you in the next one.